Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to do lace braids. I'm going to do a few lace braids into two little buns. I'm starting by making a part straight down the middle of her head, all the way back. And now I'm making another small little slanted section, almost like a triangle. I lined it up with her eyebrow on this one. And now I'm just going to get a little bit of gel and work this through her hair. I usually work in the gel just to give me a better grip when I'm braiding and also just to give it a nice shiny hold when I'm done. I will link this gel in the bio for you guys so you can take a look at it for yourself. So I'm starting with a small section here, splitting this into three little sections, and I'm gonna go under with my right, under with the left, under and under. Now with this braid, I'm only adding to this left strand here. So I'm gonna add hair to that and I'm going to lock it in with the right strand. Now I'm gonna add hair again to this left side, under my middle strand, lock it in with my right strand. And I'm just gonna continue this all the way down this section. I'm doing this just a few times off the head, and then I am going to tie it up with an elastic. Then I went and I did the same thing on the opposite side. I made a small little triangle part, and I'm gonna do the same braid, just the opposite side. So now I'm gonna be adding to my right strand here. Once I finish that, I'm gonna go take another small little sliver up towards the top of the head. And here you can see this small little line I've made. And I'm gonna do the same kind of braid. Only pulling, again, pulling to one side, nice and simple. And I'm gonna do this again on the opposite side. And then I'm gonna go down and make a third row of braids. Now that I finished all three rows on both sides, I'm gonna just cross them over and make little X's almost. So I'm pulling these off to this side, and I'm gonna come over here and add all of these, and we're gonna put everything into a ponytail. So the three braids crossing over, meeting the opposite side, and we're going into a ponytail right here. Now that I have my ponytail, I'm going to make this a braid as well. So I'm splitting this into three parts, and I'm just gonna braid all the way down. I'm going left strand under my middle strand, right strand under my middle strand, and doing that all the way to the end, and then I'm gonna tie it up with an elastic. Now I'm just sort of fluffing this braid out a little bit. We want it nice and loose, not too tight. And then I'm just gonna swirl it around into a bun and use bobby pins as I go to kind of pin it down where I want it to sit on the head. So you'll see me, I have one pin in here, just pinning in the little tiny end so it's not sticking out. And now I'm going through and just fluffing it out, just making it nice and loose, almost like a messy bun. And now I will just go to the other side and do the same thing. There you go, tying this at the end, have our little bun, And that is it. And this is our finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share.